What makes someone great at anything? It's not talent, not luck, and not some secret formula only the rich know. It's an art. And today, you're going to learn it. Step 1. Respect the craft. Most people want to be great, but they don't respect what they're doing. They scroll, multitask, lose focus, and still expect big results. That's not how excellence works. The Bible says, "Whatever you do, do it with all your heart, as working for the Lord." If you want to be exceptional, treat what you do like it truly matters, even if it's small, even if no one's watching. Step 2. Obsess over the basics. The best in any field, sports, art, business, don't chase shortcuts. They master the fundamentals. Tiger Woods still practices putting. A Michelin star chef still sharpens his knife. And Hokusai, one of Japan's greatest artists, painted the Great Wave at 73. He created over 30,000 pieces, but the world remembers that one. That's what happens when you chase perfection quietly. Even David fought lions and bears before he faced Goliath. Greatness grows in the unseen moments. Step 3. Love repetition, not results. Don't fall in love with success or applause. Love the process. Because greatness isn't about getting it right once. It's about doing it right even when you're tired, bored, or unnoticed. That's what makes it art. So what's the real secret? Be the one who stays faithful to the same task longer than anyone else. Refine it, improve it, do it again. And if you're not good yet, good. That just means you're still early in the journey. Keep painting your wave, and one day, when the time is right, God will let the world see it too.